Okay, so this is the first try with my muffin tins that I made, and making some aluminized bronze. I am got another batch of stuff going here. All the various tools that I've built are working pretty good. Got my scooper for getting all the shit out, and my stirring unit, and you know, hey, for a cheap home modified thing, it's working out all right. Yeah, gonna get ready for a bigger pour next weekend. So this is the first burn with the bigger Chinese Foundry. We went through and put a coat of this rigidizer, this Mr. Volcano, on everything, and let it dry for a few days. And now we're doing the first cure on this new crucible before we can start melting some aluminum and bronze with it. But yeah, it's a little hard to light with the gas jet that I built, but once you get it going and it seems to get a little hot, it seems to be working all right. Anyway, more to come. So we're at the point now where we've done a couple of batches. You can see all the bronze that we've separated out. This is all aluminized at 10 or 20%, something like that. We didn't get too crazy, just try to melt down some junk that we had lying around. We got a full crucible, so that's about 36 pounds. We've got a big pour coming, and we kind of need to know whether or not we're going to be able to handle and deal with the weight. So let me skim this off and we'll start pouring. Don't go sticking cold stuff in the metal right away. That's a bad plan. Let it warm up a little. Melted down just a bunch of junk, so there's going to be a lot of shit on top. But we'll get that all scooped out. I've already got the borax mixed in. Warm up the tongs, and then we'll put it in the pouring rig. That is heavy. Somebody said that my homemade muffin pans were gonna, you'd never get the bricks out of them, but yeah, they shrink enough that it's not a problem at all. So, there we go. I don't think I'm gonna be able to handle too much more weight accurately without had a second person helping me handle it. So I'm going to throw this back in while those cool a little bit, keep it warm, and then I'll pour the rest of it. Oh, much lighter. So there you go. They'll pop right out of there as soon as they're cool. Stop. Okay, so here's the end of it. Pop those out. I mean, they're still glowing orange when they come out. So the whole, just welding up some you know, angle iron or some square stock or whatever to make these things work pretty good. I think I used 3 and 4 inch channel. But yeah, just don't be afraid just to use whatever you have. It'll work. These ones will probably turn out really nice because the molds are super freaking hot. That'll help. There we go. A little home built holder thing seems to work all right. We'll call it a day. Clean up the crucible, let it cool down nice and slow, and that's all there is to it. You know, your under $200 Chinese comes to you broken, needs a bunch of work item, you know, can actually make some stuff. Anyway, good luck out there. Like and subscribe. I sure appreciate all the support from everybody, and comments are welcome, but I'm not going to respond. So there you go. Anyway, have a good night, everyone.